Going live in a bit with this guy right here, Kristof Tiongson. Kels, good na ta, Kels? Oh, good na pa. Hi, Chris.
Hi, good
This guy's
morning.
good.
Sorry,
This guy's
share
gonna
the
go.
links.
Kira, take your time, man. We're still having
Okay,
a disclaimer.
done.
Thanks, brother.
People are asking for
The link.
the link.
Anyway, man, I think we discussed about having a trade.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did.
because we know each other. I know who you are. You know who I am about. So we can actually discuss and trade value. So, I'm gonna take out.
Down with currency. Hindi, joke lang.
Yeah. So I have here official sponsors po namo, Beta shirts, and first product nila is the huge upside shirt, and I find this valuable, and Chris actually has a valuable collection he has there. So Chris, before we exchange, so you recently put out your
Art
anthology of art,
Yeah.
and what did you call it?
I called this one Quaranthology because this is a compilation of artworks I was able to finish while in the 2-year lockdown
Pandemic.
/ quarantine. Yeah, the pandemic.
Powerful, man. We're gonna actually do this live. We're gonna actually exchange. Chris, would you accept my trade?
Shout outs, and yeah, I'm still selling copies of Quaranthology.
Quaranthology. Look at the cover, man. Muning dark horse sa Cagayan de Oro City, bay. Wow.
I wouldn't. Yeah.
This is so wonderful, Chris. I mean, I'm so proud we actually have this in Cagayan de Oro City. But as an artist, how do you actually manufacture this stuff? Did you do this manually from scratch?
An artist friend helped me.
You want to
get
plug
the
his
stuff
name?
Printed. She just got featured in an interview also. Drawer Kring ata ang ano niya.
Oh, I know her.
Yeah.
We
The
went to
Small World.
we went to the same high school.
Nice.
Yeah, she's very artistic.
Yeah, she's like international level. But
Oh, really?
I really appreciate na she took the time to really help me get my stuff published.
Get this together.
With pen. I was canvassing rates over
Really?
print shops here, and
Was it
the ones
fair?
in Cebu and Davao were more
Accommodating?
pocket friendly. I
Budget
couldn't make
friendly.
a profit for what they're charging here if
Really?
I get the stuff printed and sell it na parang na mabawi ang cost.
Cagayan, WTH. Really? Cagayan, support your local artist, please. No, really, because if you had to go to Davao and Cebu, what are we doing here in Cagayan de Oro City then? Ba?
Same question.
Guys, you have to put this on a pedestal. Not only will this improve our game with arts and aesthetics and all that, culturally this is a big contribution sa city kay this will actually encourage a lot of artists to come out.
Or some of the artists here are already
Doing it?
producing, so invest on their own printers and
Make it happen themselves.
parang if you have that kind of resources, then sure, no problem. Pero
Yeah, but that's the thing. Is it easy to find sponsors sa mga yan?
I think depende sa network or sa how you sell yourself.
Because obviously they have to see if marketable and what profit can they gain from it. Does it align with their brand or mga na?
It was
And this has a lot of would you say is this a culmination of who you are, Chris?
the page you just showed were full of fan arts because it's the quarantine, right?
Yeah.
So basically half of the pages I think are fan arts of characters from comics and series that
Kitanap si Psylocke diri sa
I've been
Trinity.
preoccupying myself with just to kay if I don't know if it's the same case with you, but back then during that time dili ka sure kanus ang mahuman or if napay
Ba?
murag wala kaga-entertain o gano'n na kani i-compile na ako ni tanan, i-print na ako, ibaligya na ako. Murag it's just parang I have to keep myself busy with something. So for me it was watching Netflix, TV shows, and then
like a lot of us watch binge
parang
Netflix.
Nakaka-guilty wala akong ginawang productive, nagtanaw ako